guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm the Kenyan, and today I'm going to be opening this box that my sister got. This is a vending machine. This is the back, and this is the front. This is where you get the stuff, and this is where you get the coins. Okay, let's open this up. Put this thing up here, and we put the things to have more. Next, this one. Wait, that's the wrong way. Wait. Oh, it has different sides. Now he brings these 6 coins. You put the coin and then you press the drink you want. And then you get it on the bottom, and then you get it out. And you get it. Press which one do you want? Okay, put that back where it was. We did have it. No, open it more. Okay, that's it. I hope you like my vending machine. And my card too. And today, I'm going to be playing with it. With my sister.
And your Barbies.
And my Barbies. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.
And hope you like my vending machine.
Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.
Subscribe and tell me if you want me to open another toy on my channel. And also to my channel, because my channel was with his channel too. We both have the same ending. So Katie's World and Kaden's World. And bye.